North-South University, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know anyone, didn't know where to go, and worst of all, had no idea what I was doing with my life. Back then, I didn't even know what biochemistry and microbiology was, so I did a little research. Biochemistry or biological chemistry is a study of chemical processes within and relating to living organisms, whereas microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms, whether they are unicellular, multicellular, or acellular. But there were other pressing matters. I think the most common question we get asked nowadays is, what are the career prospects of biochemistry and microbiology? Back then, I had the same question and I got the perfect answer.
There is a lot of career prospects. We have a wrong idea that what I'm going to do after studying or graduating from biochemistry, or what I'm going to do after graduating from microbiology. But I think these are the fascinating fields which one student can choose as their career path. If you consider normally what a biochemist can do, they can be part of many different types of research fields. They can be pharmaceutical researcher, they can be a toxicologist, they can be a basic research scientist, and they can also get a job in quality control and quality assurance in many different pharmaceutical companies. Plus, they can also be a part of the R&D team of the largest pharmaceutical companies. The same goes for microbiologists. Microbiology, every companies they produce something for human use. They must have at least 2 microbiologists to assess the quality of that substance they produce for normal human use.
I needed to know what the department could offer, especially when it came to research.
This department has built 8 different laboratories that includes biochemistry and immunology laboratory, basic microbiology laboratory, molecular biology laboratory, nutritional biochemistry laboratory, as well as plant and tissue cell culture laboratory. Students of this department are extensively exposed to the laboratory courses.
I was more convinced once I got to talk to some of the research students.
We are basically determining the antimicrobial efficacy of cumin and ginger.
And if we're successful, then we are thinking of using it as a food preservative.
My project topic is assessment of antibacterial activity of most commercial soap, antiseptic soap. Those are mainly sold and manufactured in Bangladesh. If I achieve my goal, then I can ensure people they are using the safe soap.
So my thesis is all about optimization of the SRY gene detection using conventional PCR, and I analyze the results over here with real documentation.
For an in-depth analysis, I talked to more faculties, and it made me convinced more than ever that North-South University was the best choice.
The Department of Microbiology, all the faculty members, they're mainly focusing research on 2 different aspects. One is the fundamental one, another one is applied one. Okay. So basically the fundamental research, it mainly includes, we mainly investigate the molecular level, specifically the disease epidemiology, their virulence properties, and the disease transmission. At the same time, the basic study, that means the basic research, it mainly focuses on bioinformatics and comparative genomics approaches. So specifically, these 2 are newly emerged sectors. Specifically, within combination of these 2 things, we can mainly identify the evolution of the gene and the genomes. Why the students, they will study microbiology? So the first answer I will tell, if you want to make your limit to the sky, so definitely you have to choose the microbiology, because you have the endless opportunities. You can end up your career in every sectors. The whole world is waiting for the students who are studying microbiology and at the same time biochemistry. Always remember the microbiology, biochemistry. These 2 are the 2 different subjects, but these are interrelated. And in between the microbiology and biochemistry, there is a term that is called biotechnology. So basically biotechnology, this is a technique that is utilized by both the microbiologist and the biochemist to change the microorganisms and to use those microorganisms to have the potential for the humankind, or to shape the world civilization or the points, right?
It is a combination of biological sciences and the information technology. So there are a lot right now, due to the advent of the next generation sequencing, a lot of data are not available. So there is a lack of band foundation worldwide at the moment. So people need band foundation. So you're also focusing on some conducting some research on the genomics here at North-South University, and there are some exciting projects in collaboration with ICT Maryland University and University of Nottingham, and you're also expanding our horizons actually.
My name is Sweda Chanathan Humaira.
My name is Muhammad.
I am Smita Hazra.
If somebody wants to be a biotechnologist, they need to compile or they need to gather accurate information from various sciences or various field of sciences, like the molecular biology, cell biology, or the genetics, chemical engineering, and microbiology, and obviously biochemistry. And after compiling all this information, what they can do, whenever they have the competency with all kind of fields, they can actually run through, they can lead the production of crops, vaccines, drugs, livestock, or the drug delivery and other parts. That means they have the, after completion of this kind of master degree in biotechnology, they will leave the university with full of competencies. There are set of competencies who are able to do or perform to fulfill the demand of the biotechnology arena. And I think our NSU MS Biotechnology is offering such kind of integrated coursework with 36 credit program, and obviously emphasizing with the research part. And if we think about our curriculum and the course, everything has been incorporated over there together with the foundation course and then the elective one and the core courses. And once the student can get entered at MS Biotech at NSU, what they will learn, the students graduate actually are prepared to innovate, to collaborate, or to lead as research or pharmaceutical sciences. This program can support them to lead such kind of innovative part or the research or probably the pharmaceutical companies. If they could enter once, no doubt what they will start over here at NSU in MS in biotechnology, that will change definitely that will change their world.
I had this subject from my senior, and then I looked at the website of North-South University, and then I come to know that the subject's opportunity.
I've heard about this program in the social media first, then I came to know about Professor Alisar from this department. He told me about this and the future prospect of this course. Basically, I'm mostly interested in clinical research. That's why I've taken this course. I want to pursue my future career in regenerative medicine or stem cell therapy.
I was searching website to which university is offering biotechnology related courses, and I found that North-South University is one of the best one, and their course items like course information, when I went through it, I found that they covered a lot.
study, I have taken 2 subjects, pharmaceutical biotechnology and basic biochemistry.
Currently, I'm in my 3rd semester and I have taken courses like basic biochemistry, microbiology, chemical diseases, and I'm currently taking immunology and pharmaceutical biotechnology.
This is my 3rd semester. In the 1st semester, I did 2 of my foundation courses, basic biochemistry and cell biology. Then 2nd semester, I did 2 more foundation courses. Now I'm doing bioinformatics, genomics, and immunology courses. The main thing is that all the course topics and the course outlines, those are organized. Teachers are very much organized about their courses, course outlines, and the exam schedule, the exam routines, everything is very nice, like quizzes, midterm, and exam starts from the next class usually, like 2nd class or 3rd class. So it's very good to keep the students in track with their studies. Our program is emphasizing firstly on acquiring the theoretical knowledge and application of that theoretical knowledge. That means skill-based study. We want to combine 2 things together. Through the knowledge, we will run through the application field, and that is actually biotechnology. But if we don't make a bridge connection or bridge among these 2 things, we are engaged with the theoretical knowledge, but we are not engaged with our experimental part or the research part. Probably we have a bit of limitation over there, but we are trying to overcome them. We are going to run to our Genome Science Center here pretty soon. Probably we are going to start even the sequencing, next generation sequencing here within few months even. Within few years or within few months, you will have your chance actually to run through the genomics, to run through the proteomics, and probably the transcriptomics as well. With those who are really interested to get collaboration with other research institutes all over Bangladesh, that is even possible because we all the faculties here, they have the competency. They are world-class faculty who is actually teaching the MS Biotech program and who is going to make such kind of collaboration with other research group as well. So student has that kind of facility actually.